Okay, today we are going to learn some other properties of the triangle. Already you have learned main three properties. What are the main three properties? Sum of two sides is always more than the third side. Difference between the two sides is always less than the third side. Sum of the angles in the triangle is equal to 180. So today I am going to say another three properties. So first of all, one property, two properties I will say, but you have to be check practically in your home. Check practically in your home. If you take any equilateral triangle, can you say what is the? Do you remember what is equilateral triangle? Three sides are equal. If you draw any equilateral triangle, you try to check the angles. Angles are also will be equal. Okay. Yes, you can't say. Once you need to check it. Draw an equilateral triangle and check it. Okay. Draw the equilateral triangle of your choice. Then you measure the angles and check it. Okay. Maybe you get down, sir, how can we draw equilateral triangle? Can you draw equilateral triangle?
Yes.
How so?
With scale.
With scale, how? You will draw the 6 centimeters line. Next.
We
will take the scale and we will draw. 6 centimeters. It is exactly 6 only.
No.
Compulsory 6 now.
With set square.
Not with set square. Better what should we do, you know? You should take the protractor. Sorry, compass. Should take the compass. So now what is the actual problem? What are you facing here? You see, say to me. This one will come here or here or here. Where should come? This line should come where? That is don't know. Now what I will do? All choices I will draw once only. Are you understanding? All choices. Your choice is what? Here will come. 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 This is don't know.
Yes.
All choices I will draw one time like this. It can come anywhere. So means what I have drawn here, you see, this is called as arc. Circle.
Yes.
Arc. What is this called? Arc. So arc how do you draw? Circle how do you draw? With compass. Compass. We will take the compass. Fix the, how to fix the pencil with the compass, you fix it. And this distance you take 6 centimeters. This distance is important, no?
Yes.
The distance you take 6 centimeters. Means what you will do, you distance, measure that compass metal end to pencil end. You take 6 centimeters and keep the metal end here and draw the arc like this. One more also 6 only, no? From here also you draw the arc. This will join here. Means what is this? Here to here also 6 only, here to here also 6. Means when you draw what will happen, only one thing if you draw what will happen, another one where should come, you confused. Now here two choices you are trying. First choice is here, second choice is here. Both choice is what common point now. From the common point you will try. Then you will get the equilateral triangle. So after getting the equilateral triangle, what is your duty to measure the angles? Measure the angle. Then what you get it? Every angle is equal. Equal means how much? Can you say equal means how much? 60, 60, 60. Equal should get me 60, 60, 60. Is there any other choice?
No.
50, 50, 50 choice is there?
No.
Because you know that sum of the angles is equal to 180. That's why 60, 60, 60, 180. So what should we? What is the property we have discussed now?
In
equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. All angles are equal, and that is how much?
60
And it is 60 degrees. That is one property. And in isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle is two sides are equal, one is divided. When two sides are equal, I think these two sides are equal. This is 4 and this is 4. You think. You know already equilateral triangle means what? Two sides are equal. Then its opposite side angles are also equal. Its opposite angles are also. This one opposite angle is where? Here. This angle, this opposite angle is where? These two angles are also equal compulsory. If it is 40, this also. If it is 50, this is also.
50.
You understand what is the property?
Yes.
In equilateral triangle, opposite angles of equal sides. Opposite angles of equal side are equal. Are
Equal.
you see, I have given one triangle like that, and it is A, B, C. I know that AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. Then which angles are equal?
AC are equal.
A and C. Means how do you say? Angle A will be equal to angle C because AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That's why angle A is equal to angle C. Sorry, angle B no? No, AB and BC equal no. AB, BC equal. AB is equal to BC. That's why which are equal? Angle A and angle C. In triangle PQR, I know that PQ is equal to QR. Means which angles are equal?
PQ and QR.
That are equal I am saying. Means which angles are equal?
PR.
Which are?
PR.
Very good. P and R. Why P and R? Because this one opposite you check it. Which is opposite to PQ. Now only discuss no. Which are equal, their opposite angles are equal you are saying. Which is opposite for this?
P. R.
PQ opposite what angle will come?
PR.
PR.
R.
R angle. These sides are equal. I am asking which angles are equal. How do you say that which angles are means? This is equal side no. For this what is opposite angle? For AB what is opposite angle? Angle C. Like that for PQ what is opposite angle? R. That's why which are equal here? Angle R. No? For QR which is opposite angle?
P.
Angle P. So angle R is equal to angle P. Okay. I know that in triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to angle Z. Means which sides are equal?
XY.
Simple. For this, which is opposite, you check it. For angle Y, what is opposite side?
X.
Opposite side.
Z.
Side will be in only one point. This is angle. Angle opposite side means how many? Side how do you show? Which is side here? This is show. Which is side? This is side no. This one how do you say? With one letter? Two letters you will say. So you think it is Y. Angle Y it is. Then what will be the opposite side for that? X, Z. Means in the, for this what it is? X, Z. And for Z which is opposite? X, Y. For Z what is opposite? X, Y. So simple I am saying you have to remember that which is opposite side, which is opposite angle. For angle which is opposite side you can find. For side which is opposite angle you can find it. Okay. So means what you understand, if two sides are equal then two angles are equal. If two angles are equal then two sides are equal. Okay. You understand clearly? In triangle if you are finding two sides are equal means two angles are also equal. If two angles are equal you found that. Then you can say two sides are equal. So that we are writing as property. What is I am saying? In triangle. No, in triangle I am saying. In triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. Their Opposite angles are equal. And one more property, in triangle, if two angles are equal, if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. You understand? These are the other three properties. I think you understood. Can you say which are opposite? For side which is opposite angle, for angle which is opposite side. You have to remember that. These all will be useful to you when you are solving the problems. This will be useful to you when you are solving the so I have given like this to you. In this triangle, this is 60 degrees, and how much is this? I asked you like that. Can you say no?
Yes. 60.
First of all, you have doubt. What is your doubt? One angle only you know.
Yes.
Another two angles, how do you find? But you know this property. You are finding two sides are equal here.
Yes.
What is the meaning of two sides are equal? Their opposite angles are equal. This one, this opposite angle, this opposite angle, this one also equal. Yes. If it here 60, no it is. That's why this also will be 60. Then you can find the third angle.
Yes.
Like that, these ideas will be useful to you in the solving problems. Okay, that's why you have to remember that this property is compulsory. You need to remember. And last property is about exterior angle property. Then you get down. What is exterior angle?
Outside the.
What is exterior angle? Outside of the triangle. Outside of the where? This is a triangle. Outside means where? Outside means these are all interior angles of the triangle. These are all interior of angles of the triangle. If you produce any one of the side, if you produce the side, then it will make with some angle with the triangle. I have produced this one. This what is happening here? This produced line is making one angle with the triangle. Where it is? Here. This is called exterior angle. This is called exterior angle. You see? Not only like that, I can produce this. Where is the exterior angle? Here. This is exterior. I can produce like this. Then where is the exterior angle? Is here. I can produce like this also. Then where is the exterior angle? Here. I can produce like this also. This is exterior angle. If I produce like 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 this with triangle, you have to check that with triangle. This is not exterior angle. This is not making with the triangle, no. It should be made with the triangle. You should make angle with the triangle. That is called as exterior angle. Exterior angle. So interior angles are 3. Exterior angles are 6. Interior angles are 3. Exterior angles are 6. I think you understood what is the exterior angle. You understand?
Yes. How to find it?
You see now, I am giving one exterior angle like this. If I give here it is 70 degrees, means automatically you can say that angle. 110. Complementary. Supplementary. Linear pair. Linear pair also you will see. I don't know this. I know these two angles.
We should find.
Can you say no?
Yes.
How do you say?
It is by x.
Say how do you say? First you will take the, you will find this.
And one.
Then after you will find it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, find and say to me.
70.
First of all, you will find this. 80 and 30, 110. So how much it will be? 70. 110. Okay. I know these two angles. Sorry. 60 and 40.
Inside there is 18 and outside there is 100.
100.
You can find easily by the two angles are outside same.
So you got one idea. Separately, no need to find this. Without finding that, you are able to say no.
Yes.
How?
The two angles are.
By adding this, you will get it. 60 and 40 will be is equal to 100. Okay. If by adding these two, you will get this.
No.
No chance. Only opposite interior angles. Not side. This side by side interior angle you should not add. No. If you add this, you will get answer.
No.
So which two you have to add compulsory?
Opposite.
These two you have to add. Suppose I want to find this angle. Which angles I want to find? Which angles I need to know? This angle.
No.
Which two? These two I want. Okay. By adding these two, I will get this. For this,
By
by adding these two. I think you understand, no?
Yes.
So this exterior angle, how do you find? By using addition. Means by the sum of two opposite interior angles. Two opposite interior angles. That is the property. So how do you find exterior angle?
Two opposite.
So what is the property? Exterior angle of the triangle is sum of its two opposite which interior angles. So I think you understood. Exterior angle is of the triangle is sum of its two opposite interior angles. By adding that easily you can find. Okay, this is the fourth property. Totally 7 properties you have read. Sum of two sides is always more than the third side. Difference between the two sides is always less than the third side. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180. In equivalent triangle, all angles are same, that is 60-60. In triangle, if you are finding two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. In triangle, if you are finding two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. And exterior angle is equal to sum of its opposite two interior angles. These are the 7 properties of the triangle. Compulsory you need to remember these all. This is most important. Okay, that is about exterior angle. Okay, now you just note that property. Question number 8. Okay, how do you find? There are two different ways are there, but we will use the angle, the exterior angle property, and we will learn. You know that now only you have learned that exterior angle. How do you get the exterior angle? Here, which is exterior angle? How do you get exterior angle actually?
By adding
By adding two opposite interior angles. Means by 65 and x if you add you will get this no.
Yes.
That if you write as the equation you can get the x value no.
65.
So what you can write here? 65 plus x is equal to 135. What is this? This is exterior angle property. We have this property no.
Yes.
Exterior angle property. Exterior angle
property.
So then x is equal to 135 minus 65. Then x is equal to 70. So you got this. Then after what you use to find y?
We should add 2.
Not 2.
65 plus
Like this also you can find. Otherwise you know that method no. Angle sum property. So angle sum property is what? Sum of the angles in the 65, 70 plus y is equal to 180. Sum of the angles in the triangle is equal to 180. That is, this is what property? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. So it is 135 plus 5y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 60. 70, 45, I think.
Yes, sir.
45. Okay. Different methods. You can say like this, or I can find like this by adding this both 180 I will get. Then I will get the y value. Like that also you can. After getting that you can find that one. Otherwise as only she can do. But however it may be, we need to find the answer. Okay. Now once you take the exercise. Third question is like that only. Can you see the third question? Question number 3 in the page number 107.
Yes.
Okay? Just you write reasoning like this bracket, what you are using like that, you write and say. Okay, first one you see. Here you need to name the angles. Interior, exterior angles.
Why?
How do you name this? A, B, C, X, Y, Z. How do you name the exterior angles and interior angles? Which are interior here?
The interior angles are
Not like that. Compulsory here you should use 3 letters compulsory. Why? Because this angle is also forming at A only. This is also forming at A. This is also forming at A. Then how do you say only angle A? 2 angles are forming at A. That's why you can't say. When only one angle is forming, then you can use the single letter. If 2 or more angles are forming, compulsory we should use the 3 letters. You know angle, how do you name the angle? With 3 letters, no. Compulsory 3 letters you have to use. How? What about this angle? Like this.
angle
Angle A, B, C. Now exterior means this is like this one. First Y, A, B. This is
X, B, C.
This is sorry.
A, C, Z.
Okay, you have to name them. You have to name the interior angles and you have to name the exterior angles. Can you do it or not?
Yes.
Second one is direct question. You have to find out the exterior angle.
Yeah.
You know that sum of its opposite to interior angles will be equal to exterior. So you can find like this one.
Yes. Yes.
Fourth question you see. In the following figure, find the values of x and y. Can you find?
Yes. Yes.
First one x directly you can find. Because you know exterior and two interior. Which is the next one you see. Next problem. Second problem. It is looking like this. So this is 65. This is y. This is x. This is 40. And this is 107. Then how do you find it?
Sum of 3 angles
Which are?
X6, X65.
X to 65y. Then how can you find? Two unknowns are there. Can you find like that?
X plus 40 plus 107 is equals to 180.
By using that, because in this triangle only, in this triangle, sum of the angles is equal to 180. You can find x. After finding x, you can use like this. How? This one, this one, this one. Okay, by adding these three, we will get 180 now. Then you can get it. Okay? So fifth one I will say. Leave that. Sixth one. Sixth one. So many pictures are there. First one. Here all the properties will be useful to you. What is the first one you see? This is the triangle. 70. This is x, this is y. How do you find? Two unknowns. At a time you can't find. Why? Because you know the property. Two sides are equal. Then opposite are also equal. No. That's why what do you write? This one also, y also becomes x. Then you can find it. Second one you see. This is x. This is y. This is 50. Very good. Y is also 50 because two sides are equal. Then opposite also equal. Then if you know this, you can find exterior. No. How?
We should add the
Opposite interior. Means is only opposite interior. No. 50-50. So you can get it now.
Yes.
See, these are like this. That property will be useful to us. This is 30. This is y. This is x. Like this. Y is equal to 30. Why? Because you know our property.
Yes.
Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 30. That's why this is
30.
Now x also 30. No. Why? These two sides are equal. No.
Yes.
Means which are equal? This opposite and this opposite. Clear now? Two sides are equal means opposite angles are equal. I said this opposite angle 30 for this opposite angle here. So this is also will become 30. Now if you know these two, we can find the third one. Huh? So all these all ideas will be useful to you. This is x, this is y, and it is 110.
X plus 110 is equals to 180.
X plus?
This side 110 on our side. That's this side x. 2 adding 180.
So what will you get? Can you say? 70. So first we will find this. Then
two sides are same.
two sides equal. No.
Yes.
This opposite equal.
Okay.
Means which is 70 here? This one or this one?
No, y.
Y is also
70.
This 270 means you can find this one. What's Anirudh? This is x, this is y, this is 30. First, what can you find?
Right angle.
Like that, you can't find right angle. Compulsory, you should show mark. Why you can find no?
Yes.
Because if it is 30, this one will be 150. And I think the question is, we did not show no. Actually, compulsory you should show wrong it is. In problem, right angle means only by picture you can't find out. Finalize. Compulsory you have to show. Like this angle, if we show that is not 90. If we show like this, then it is 90. This is 90. Then you can find this one.
Yes.
Last one. Y 80 clear X. Vertically opposite angles are equal. 80 and one more.
80 and vertical.
This is only found.
The two are equal.
Which are equal? These two sides are equal means these both are equal. If this is X means this is also X. Now what you will get 50, 50. Now exterior angle also you can find it now by adding these two. 80 and 50 will be 1. Okay, so you can answer up to 6 questions except 5. You can leave the 5 and remaining you must do. Okay, we will discuss the second example. Okay, after. Once again, we will go back.
Ninth example.
Ninth example. One of the exterior angle of the angles is 120 degrees. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:5. Find the angle. I said already to you, when the ratio is given,
we should find the.
What do you think that? Share.
Share is equal to share.
One share is equal to X. Here two shares are given. What are that? 1 and 5. Means what you will say? 1x.
5.
So we will draw the picture according to that. One exterior angle is given.
120.
Exterior angle 120. We will mark here.
We
Is
can
given
find
this is these two are which side? Interior, only interior he did not give. Opposite interior he said.
For 120.
Which one? This one
top
and this one.
top.
This is what? One is X, one is
5.
Now you know the method now.
Yes.
Sum of the exterior angle is equal to its opposite, sum of its opposite to interior angle. Means what becomes 5x plus x is equal to
180.
120. 6x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 by 6. You got one angle 60, 20. This also you can find it now. 5x means 5 20s are 100. Automatically this one will be
6. We can find
example 10. I think same problem is in the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Which one it is? 7th one.
125,
2 is to 3. Same problem like this is also.
Yes.
So you can take that. You can do the 7th one also. And same like that it is in the 10th one also same like that. You can do the 10th one also. 7th one, 10th one. Okay? And only here 8th, 9th, 11th and 5th one left. 4 questions is exercise. Tomorrow we will do. And only one more example I will say. In the adjacent figure, find okay, now what should we find here?
Sir, in 5th question.
Triangle PRS you have to find. Triangle PTS you have to find. Triangle SPR you have to find. Triangle PRQ you have to find. First of all, you have to mark it where they are. Triangle PRS. Can you say where it is? This here, right? Again, I am saying right angle is not finalized by yourself. Okay? You are thinking right angle at 91 degrees. There is no difference between the 90 and 91 degrees. Then how can you say right angle it is? That is wrong. I said no. We have made that is mistake he have given. I said no personally. Question it is mistaken. We have to show like that compulsory. That is mistake. Okay. This is X I am thinking. Okay. Next to PTS. Where is PTS? PTS. This is Y I am thinking. Next STR. SPR. Z I am. PRQ. PRQ. Double. Not up. PRQ. Okay. Now, what should we do? First of all, we will try for X. What is X? Observe carefully.
50 and 35.
Very good. For this triangle, it is exterior. Is it or not? For this triangle, it is exterior. No. That's why what you are going to say. This is 50 means what? PQR. Angle PQR plus this angle QPR. Angle QPR is equal to what is that? It is PRS. PR. Yes. Do you accept that? There is only no. What is this property? Reason. What is the property? Which property it is? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. So what is this? This is XC. How to find? This is what? 50 and it is 35. So otherwise it will confuse you. No? That's why you do one thing. This is you can write like this. No. Angle PRS you can write. No. So means what it is? X is equal to 50 plus 35 will be 85. Easy. Okay, got it now. Now Y. What is Y? Observe carefully. Y is also exterior. This is also exterior of this triangle. No.
Yes.
Then we can find it now. Same method. What same property? What is the property? Exterior angle is equal to exterior angle is what here? PTS. PTS is equal to PTS is equal to PRS. PRS. Are you confusing to name the angles? No confusion. Like this you think where the angle is there. This angle. Like this you mark it. RST. RST. Same property. What is the property? Exterior angle property. This is what you have assumed. Why not?
Yes.
PRS is how much? 85. That is 45. So Y is equal to 130. So you got it 130. Now Z. How do you find Z?
Z plus
Z and Y will become 180. No, that is easy. No, that what you will do here? This name. What is this name? Can you say? SPR. SPR plus PTS will be equal to 180. No. Why? What is the reason? Linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair means any time in one line, if like this is there, that is the set of called linear pair. So linear pair means by adding these two, I will get 180. Which two? SPR, PTS. Like this, no? SPR, PTS. Now what is this one? Is Z. This is 130 is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180 minus 130. So Z is equal to 50. Z is equal to 50. Okay. Next W. What about W? W how do you find? Same method, no? These both are linear pair, no?
Yes.
What is this angle? PRQ. Here there means after anyone you can take. P also you can take. PRQ. So means angle PRQ plus PRS is equal to 180. Reason here also linear pair. This is what W. plus 85 is equal to 180. W is equal to 180 minus 85. So W is equal to 95 degrees. Okay, like that all angles you have found. So just you have to find out what each angle is. Exterior, you know how to find it. Linear plane, one missing means you can find it. In three angles in the triangle, if you miss one, you can find it. Okay, today about this, if you complete, and in exercise what we have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10.